Hi everyone,
guys.
welcome back to another video. First I wanted to say thank you so much for watching Kayel's story, right?
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. It was emotional. My wife is the one created that video. That was emotional as a father, especially parents. Of course, it's emotional.
Yeah.
But as a father, I was too attached to her since she born. It's created me more love. And when my
The
wife
video.
showed me the video,
He was so emotional.
yeah, it was so emotional. I was crying, and every time I look at her picture, it makes me cry, guys. Thank you again. So we are here. I know I'm so busy in school. I'm just here to catch up this movie.
I'm happy to have him. Like really, we don't see each other.
Yeah,
much.
My wife is like, oh, okay, you know what? It's a Friday. I just took one exam today this morning, so I have to do something with my wife. You know,
No wonder why you have all this.
yeah, you see, guys, I don't have even time to go to barber shop. It's like takes 1 hour at least. But after when I almost graduating, it's almost time.
Yeah.
So thank you everyone. I know we have been putting videos regularly. Thank you for bearing with us and still showing the support, love.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate.
Rumba Nandri. Thank
We really
you.
appreciate you guys. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நாங்க மூவி தியேட்டருக்கு வந்திருக்கோம் பொன்னியின் செல்வன் படம் பார்க்க. Today we are here to watch a movie. This is called Ponniyin Selvan. It's a very historical movie.
I love that. I love historical movie.
Yeah. Last time we watched Bahubali, right?
Yes, and I watched part 1 and part 2. So I love historical movie, and this is the reason why I wanted to go watch this. Even though I'm not going to understand Tamil, this is the perfect time for me to kind of like figure out what they're talking about in Tamil. So
yeah, you can read a subtitle, and I know of course you're gonna understand. I wanted to show her how the historical. I hope director did a good job. It looks like it, everything. Even if she can watch it first time, all the historical. The king, the queen, and everybody lived back then,
Wait, by the way, is it based on true story?
Yeah, it's based on true story. And we went to Tanjavur, right? The Tanjavur, it's a Karigalan. Yeah, we went to Tanjavur and Rajaraja Solan. It's about his story about Rajaraja Solan kingdom, I believe. I never read Ponniyin Selvan. This is the first time, but I watched a couple of videos. It says that this movie about Rajaraja Solan from Tanjavur. We went to Tanjavur. You remember the big temple?
There was multiple temples around it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The temple we went to, she was with me, and I'm going to show you guys pictures somewhere here. So the reason why we were watching this movie, I want to show my wife how back then our king was used to live in real life. All right, guys.
So we're gonna go watch the movie right now, and we'll give you the best review.
Okay, guys. All right, guys, we are here. Ponniyin Selvan. There's a short form. It's called PS1. The series comes. Actually, this is the PS1, baby. Ponniyin Selvan 1.
Okay.
The PS2 is coming.
Oh wow! There you go.
Hey guys, we are in the break.
Yeah, so we're in intermission right now. We're in break. So far the movie is really good. It's really, we're trying to find out what's going on. That's a really good thing about the historical movies, right? So. We have 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Alright guys, like my wife said, it's a lot of characters, hard to understand, especially if you read a book. Just say Karigalan, Adityavarman, Ponniyin Selvan, Arunmolivarman, too many names, too many characters to
I was
understand.
so confused.
And still I'm confused, kind of, but since, if you read a book, you will get an
Wait, they have a book?
Yeah, it's a book. It's actually it's a real story.
I really need to read that book. I need to
I
find
don't
out
know
what's
if they have
going
English
on.
version though.
That was in 3 hours. 3 hours. So I think like the part 2 will explain what's going on, because it's always like that. Part 2. Once you watch anything part 2, you will understand what's going on. We left off when the ship break apart because of the winds, and and I think it was the enemies and stuff. So right now, so we don't know if Prince survived or not. So this is really interesting.
But
That's
the
awesome.
lady, she looks like also Nandini.
Well, I mean, both of those princes were so beautiful.
So one girl, the Nandini, used to be a Miss Universe. The other girl, Miss Chennai. Some of them from Miss India. So all the beautiful girls they put in.
So beautiful. The way they dress up in the movie was really beautiful. I love it.
That's like so Tanjavur. We've been there. My wife and I took my kids
It's so
there.
hard to remember
So,
because
we went to a lot of places. Yeah, and this is not like the way the reason here. But this is like an ancient time. But anyway, so how do you like the ancient, like old school, like Tamil, Tamil culture, fighting stuff?
Oh my God, the fighting part is just like
History, right?
a lot of revenge going on. But so far, I just wanted to see part 2 and see what's going to happen. So yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this little video.
Yeah, we just wanted to do this video.
It was just a day out, me and Ram. The kids are at home right now with my family. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.